Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I am here with Julia.
Hi everyone.
We are in Amsterdam, and Julia just had a session. So I wanted to share with you our finding. Well, do you want to tell everybody what is going on, or
Yeah,
what we saw? What we saw in
it
your
was
body?
so. I have a little bit full here, very big chest, and I had some problems with breathing. And Alexis helped me a lot. We did
We did
bunch of
a bunch of stuff, but then we really found that there was a lot of stuckness here. So
yeah
she's very
here.
stuck here, but then also on the solar plexus.
Mhm.
So today we wanted to share with you the stomach flow, which really opens up this waistline area and opens up the solar plexus, which I think is going to be helpful for you. By the way, before I forget to tell you, I also think it will be helpful for you to place your right hand on it and your left hand over it.
Mhm.
Yeah, just a little session like this
Mhm.
will be great to release the solar plexus. Because when you place your right hand on and the left hand over, it draws the energy in.
Mhm.
And so it will allow for it to release.
Mhm.
Okay. So the stomach flow, we'll move through it fairly quickly, I think. So let's place one hand on your 21. So we cross it over.
21. Mhm.
Yeah, but cross it to this side. Right. And then the other hand on the 22, like this. Yes. And on the same side also. Yeah. So this flow, by the way, is in the Art of Jinshin and also in the Core textbook. I like to read from the Core. It has a little bit more notes and it has the numbers right there, the safety energy locations. So you see how we're each practicing the other side, which is wonderful. I just did this side, so now I felt like going to this side and releasing the other side. You can always practice one side or both, whatever feels comfortable. But how does your 21 feel? You feel any tenderness there?
At this moment, yes.
So there's a
We'll
little
see
bit,
what will happen.
little bit of tenderness, and for me also. So taking a few breaths. 21 is where the stomach flow begins. Large intestine ends, so it's dynamic for any kind of digestive project. 22 is wonderful to open up the lungs also. If you have a hard time breathing, then often it starts very high up at the top of the lungs, which is almost here in this area. And then we will move our hand. We take this one, place it on the opposite 14. Yeah, very good. Yes. So we're doing the opposite sides here, which is fine. So you can join one of us here. Again, 14, opening up our waistline, allowing for energy to descend, and also feeling your shoulders drop a little bit so that you're not, not just talking to Julia, I'm talking to everybody here. Yes. And then take off your hand of the 14 and placing it opposite. So on the 23. Yeah. Yeah. So if that's not comfortable, you can use the back of your hand. But if it is comfortable, then by all means, you can just place your fingers. Yes, like that or like that. Yes. So this is a great hold. Sometimes people ask me for weight loss, and this would be a great hold. 21 with opposite 23 is a great hold for weight loss. And the stomach flow, in any case, allows for energy to descend. It's a great Thanksgiving flow because when we eat too much and everybody feels usually so stuffed for Thanksgiving, and then you have the leftovers after, that's all in the United States. Then it's great to practice this flow before, and after, but also before you can already open up the pathway so that you can receive all this food. So from 23, we'll go to the opposite of 14 again. Yes, that's right. Yes. Um, and 21 also helps us to release mental stress. So if you have to spend like the whole weekend with your family, sometimes it can cause like all their trauma comes up, all their feelings, and this will really, really help you to process that. Exhale, and then we'll move to the high one. So we move, yes, right. So high one is right here at the upper side. Yeah. So this is our one, location number one, and this is our high one on the upper side. And Julia, you just did it lying down. That was comfortable, or at
I
least
think lying down is more comfortable
lying down is
than sitting.
comfortable.
Yeah.
So I always invite people to lie down if you know, watch these videos because it's so comfortable to practice, and then you can really feel the energy move and really get into it like a meditation. So that's very important. So one is also great for the lungs and also allowing energy to descend. High one, of course, also. And I was just saying that in the Facebook Live that I was watching skating yesterday, which is such a big thing here. And the skaters, they're all standing like this, holding their high ones as soon as they're done. And they're all holding, right? It's like the skating position. So, or tennis players, watch them. So it's really great one to open up the lungs. And then after high one, we'll go to eight, low eight. Low eight is here. Yeah, so you can come around like this. And if this is not comfortable, you can stay on the high one or stay wherever it's comfortable. But if you are flexible enough, you can make a figure four like this. And this is also a great flow for the knees because if you look at the flow pattern, it goes right through the kneecap. So for people who have tightness on their upper thighs and then going into the knees, this is a really great, great flow, important flow. Got me into jinshin. Yeah, high one and low eight. And then like this, holding this like this, and then like this. Yeah, it will go through these ligaments here. Dynamic for knee projects. And then the last step is taking your hand from the low eight to the middle toe. The middle toe is the third one. So the big one, the second one, and then the third one. And the third one is important because, first of all, the stomach flow moves through that toe. And second of all, when we eat our food and when we breathe in air, they move down and then go to the middle toe. They go to the middle toe, and from there they move up again when they nurture all our organs. So if that middle toe is really tight, it's important to hold it, to breathe into it, and to open it up. So great. So let's let go, gently let go. And Julia and I want to just share the quick hold. So what is the quick hold, Julia? Yes. Holding the thumb is the quick hold. Harmonizing worry. Harmonizing worry is so important. So we. Yeah, you like this one?
I love it. Yeah.
Great, great. Well, thank you, Julia, for joining me today.
Thank you too.
Yeah, it was great. Well, thank you everybody for joining. Happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you next time.